welcome back to VANHAUS Conversions. Thanks for tuning in. This is the full van tour of the Peugeot Boxer we've been working on alongside the Mercedes Vario library bus. Hope you enjoy and feel free to leave any comments below, as we really like to know what you think of our work. I hope you enjoyed the full tour of our Peugeot Boxer. Please stay tuned for the video tour of the Mercedes Vario library bus. That will be towards New Year or early January. Again, if you are looking for a custom conversion totally bespoke to you, please give us a call, as we pride ourselves in creating something unique and special for every single one of our customers. Feel free to leave a comment if there's anything you liked or disliked about this conversion. We'd love to hear from you, as we're always thinking of new ideas, and it always helps to have people's opinions. But yeah, otherwise, make sure you're subscribed, give it a like if you liked it, and we'll see you on the next video tour. Thanks a lot.